Greetings everyone, in this video we will be unboxing the iPad Pro 13-inch M4. And after that we'll be unboxing the Logitech Combo Touch iPad case. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 comes in two colors, silver and space black. Apple offers eco-friendly packaging and no longer includes any shrink wrap. So on the back, there's two pull tabs that are just slightly glued on. So we'll pull each tab to remove them and break the seal on the box. So we'll open the box, see what's inside. And we have a very large iPad in here. And we have a pull tab to remove it, and there is some paper-like material protecting it on the outside that is slightly glued in the back. And we'll take a look around here. And underneath, there are some brief instructions in here. We'll take a look at those in a moment. We'll set them back here for now. And then underneath the instructions, we'll see a Apple power adapter and a charge cable. We'll take a look at those. And there's the charge cable, which is a 20-watt USB-C power adapter, very small. And we'll take a look at the USB-C cable, which it comes with. So we'll move some of these boxes away and we'll take a look at the iPad itself. We'll remove the paper packaging. And we got the silver model this time. Has a nice shiny Apple logo on the back. And we'll gradually take it out of the paper. Put that aside. And there you have it, a very nice screen, all glass there. And although this is a sizable screen, it does feel pretty lightweight to me, weighing 1.28 pounds. So on the top, the iPad has two speakers, has one microphone, and one power button for sleep and wake. So on the bottom, we have two speakers and one Thunderbolt 4/USB-C port. And on the right side, we have one microphone, magnetic connector for Apple Pencil Pro, and a volume up and down button. And then on the back, we have one microphone, we have a 12 megapixel wide camera, we have a LiDAR scanner, rear ambient light sensor, flash, and a smart connector. So we'll turn this on with the top power button here, and we'll get the Apple logo to start it up. Then we'll just show what the directions say that came with the iPad. Pretty nice clear instructions on what all the buttons do and the Face ID and all that stuff. Good to have. And so that was the unboxing of the iPad Pro M4. And stay tuned, we're going to now cover the Logitech Combo Touch. Part of the video, we're going to cover unboxing the Logitech Combo Touch. And we'll see how it works with the iPad. So first of all, I'm going to turn on the iPad screen because I went ahead and set it up. The screen is a 13-inch diagonal screen, 2752 by 2064 pixel resolution. Very nice screen. It has a refresh rate of 120 Hertz, brightness 1000, and 264 pixels per inch. So very high quality screen here. So we're just showing some of the graphics here. We'll go to Apple's website, and scrolling is pretty effortless on this. It's pretty much like having a MacBook Air with a touchscreen, in my opinion. So we'll take a look at the Logitech Combo Touch case here. And it comes with a detachable keyboard, a multi-touch trackpad, charging via smart connector, and a kickstand that swings out in the back. So we'll pull it out the side. It's like a draw here. And we'll put it on the table and we'll remove some of this packaging. And this is the bottom piece. This is a keyboard. It's a smart connection that it makes with the iPad, so it charges off the iPad, which is nice. And the keys are really nice. It has a multi-touch trackpad and it's backlit, which is a bonus. And then this is the protective case part that goes on the top, and it has a built-in kickstand that swings out. And we'll remove some of this packaging and we'll install the iPad into the top piece, which is pretty simple. It's a little bit rubbery like, and it should just snap in. It should be pretty simple. And it has the volume buttons on the side as well, and the top power button. So we'll put it on the smart connector, see how it works that way. That's how it's going to look before we put the iPad in, after we put the iPad in, with the kickstand that swings out the back. So we'll remove the top and we'll place the iPad in one side at a time, and we'll slowly press it in to install. It installs pretty simply, pretty easily. And we just press the edges in and we're all good there. And now what we'll do is we'll attach it to the keyboard. And it's a smart connection, so it's just magnetic and it just connects on there just like that. And pretty much looks like a laptop now. And we'll swing out the back kickstand, and there you go. There you have your Mac with a touchscreen right there, because you can use the multi-touch trackpad. It's like using a mouse, or you could even use a wireless mouse with this if you wanted to. And you could even attach this whole thing to an external monitor. And I will say the keyboard works pretty well. Similar to a laptop. And it does this 2-finger scrolling and all that stuff. There's also a button, a home button here, which is great, that you can press. And yeah, it has a backlit keyboard. It has the Apple functions on the keyboard, which is nice. And yeah, very, very Mac-like. So the Logitech Combo Touch is one of the nice cases that I like for the iPad. It's really Mac-like and makes it a lot more usable. So that was the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 unboxing along with the Logitech Combo case. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time.